Hello, this is Kim from K Wellness TV. Today, I would like to guide you through the very basic level of energy meditation. To do energy meditation, the first step is to feel energy. To feel energy, we will use our hands because hands are the most sensitive part in our body. We will take simple 3 steps to feel energy. Step 1, move your hands. Shake your hands. Keep moving. You can either be seated in a chair or on the floor. Keep shaking your hands. And twist your wrists like a twinkle twinkle little star. Alright, enjoy the movement. And you can feel already some sensation around your fingertips. That's great. And tap your fingertips. Alright, keep focusing on your hands and keep tapping. Alright, step 2, focus in between your palms. So have some space between your palms and relax your fingers and relax your palms and feel between your palms. Do you feel tingling sensation and magnetism, or can you feel pulsations, heat or coldness? Everything is phenomena of energy. And step 3, push and pull your energy. First, bring your hands together closer to each other and move your hands apart. Bring them closer and move them apart. Closer and move them apart. Can't you feel something between your palms? Do you feel something is pulling together or pushing against each other? Yes, that is the feeling of energy. Relax your shoulders and let's make the movement a little bit bigger. So move your hands apart even bigger and bring them closer. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Move them apart and bring them closer. Move apart and bring them closer. You can have them move even further apart and closer. Don't you feel some energy ball between your palms? As you focus on the energy sensation, then you would feel very peaceful and relaxed and balanced. Keep moving. Alright, how was it? Wasn't it easy and simple to feel the energy? Actually, you just experienced ancient Korean energy meditation, Jigam. As I mentioned before, Ji means stop and Gam means thoughts or emotions. So Jigam meaning by energy meditation, you reduce or stop feeling unwanted thoughts and emotions. Our minds can easily distracted and scattered. And by doing Jigam meditation, your consciousness coming back to your body. So you can stay in the here and now. As you practice Jigam more, then you can feel the energy in around any part of your body. So if you have headache, then you can do energy meditation around your head. So you can activate the flow and circulation of energy in that part. Or you can bring hands down to your chest area or your abdomen and focus on your organs. So this is Jigam meditation. Energy meditation is the very basic level of the Korean traditional energy meditation. With further videos, then I will guide you to how to utilize energy more to enhance the quality of your life. By doing this energy training, then you'll feel much less anxious and much less depressed, and you will have much power and active in your daily life. And also you will have lots of hope in your life too. This was K Wellness TV. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye.